Topic. Our topic 17. Topic 17 was graphs, which is in the theme of data and probability. Now we are going to topic 18, which is numerical concept 1. And that is still is for it, it's in numbers. Now, numerical concept 1, what is the competence there that we expect from there? Learner understands and uses indices and standard form. As simple as that. It's very clear. There are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are over 8 learning outcomes here. So you can easily see that the one activity of integration is hard to exhaust everything here. So it's better now you set more than one activity there. But for us, we have one here which we are going to use. It says the consulting company has been assigned a task to building a wall. The time it requires to complete the project decreases exponentially as number of worker n increases. The relationship between time t and numbers of worker n can be expressed as, so we have the relationship. So our t equals to 1024 times 2 power negative n, where t is the time and n is the number of workers. Okay, the company is going to express the calculated days, workers in standard form, and has requested your assistance to provide these values in a correct format. So now we are going to, our task is to get a number of days, and then we see, the workers, and then the time, and we now express them in standard form. So what do we have? We have 2, 5, 12, and 16 workers. So we need to know the time they are going to take, then express them in the standard form. So here now, I'm going to say when n is equaling to 2, when n equals to 2. Now I want to know the time now when the number of workers, so n equals to 2 workers. Now I want to know the time they are going to take. So now my t will be, now where did this n I put? 2. Here you can able use your calculator. This one now I'm getting 256. So now you see that this one is not, now you said that a number to be in a standard form, it should be a figure between, the first figure before the decimal point should be between 1 and 9. So see this one, there is no decimal point. So now we shift the decimal point to this. Now how are we going to do that? We said, now I'm going to stick to move my decimal point 2 places. So this will be 1, 2. So this will be 2.56 times 10. Now I said if we are moving towards the left, now the places are 2. So if you are moving towards the left, we have a positive like that. So you have expressed this in a standard form. That's the standard form of this number of workers. So when I come to n equals to 4, was it 4 or 5? So sorry, it was n equals to 5. When n equals to 5, now I want the time for 5 workers. 2 power now, where there is n now I'm putting 5, which will be, you use your calculator there also. So 2 power, if you don't have a calculator, you see this will be, that when you push it down, apply in properties, you can use also properties here, it will be okay for you. But you can able to say 2 power negative 5. So here I'm just getting 32. In the standard form now, so that we just need to move one place. So this will be 3.2 times 10. And because I'm moving towards the left, the power is positive. So it's a positive. When I come now to when n equals to 12, we have 12 workers now. It will be now, times now 2 times 2 power negative 12. Now this will be we have 0.25. Now, you see that we want now to move our decimal place here. Because 0, we don't include the 0. It has to be between the figure before the decimal point. Before the decimal point has to be between 1 and 9. So this will be, and I move it here, will be 2.5, then times 10. But if we are moving towards the right, the power is negative. Then how many places have we moved? 1. So power -1. That's the standard form of that. Then lastly, when we have 16 workers, so 16 workers, our T will be power, times 2 power -16, which will be we have 0.0625. Now to express it, now so we are going to move 2 times, so we'll be having 1.125625 times now 10 power -2. This negative because we are moving towards the right. So this is the standard form of the time that the time needed when the workers are increasing from 2 up to 16. So that the more workers we have, the less time shall need. So here you see that if we have 12 workers, we have like that, in that order. So that's how we express them in a standard form. Let us move now to our next chapter.